Hello, my name is Mark, and today we're going to show you how to maintain the cocked joints around your Therma-Tru door. You'll need the following tools and materials: safety glasses and gloves, a utility knife, a putty knife, elastomeric sealant, and gun. You should wear safety glasses and gloves when working on this project. First, inspect the perimeter along the base of the unit for cracks or voids in the existing sealant. The unit needs to be sealed from the house to the brick mold, from the brick mold to the jamb, from the jamb legs and mold post to the threshold, and along the front of the threshold. Yearly inspections are recommended. However, based on your climate, more frequent inspections may be needed. To remove the old sealant, start at the top of the brick mold and work down. With the blade pointing away from you, use a utility knife to score the center of the existing bead of sealant. With the utility knife, score the center of the existing bead of sealant between the jamb and the threshold. Then, using a putty knife with the blade pointing away from you, remove the existing sealant. Break the existing seal by wedging the putty knife between the jamb and the threshold. Remove the existing sealant. There are many clear or colored sealants available. We will be using clear sealant for this demonstration. Beginning at the top and working down, reapply the sealant along the brick mold. Smoothing it as you go. Do the same between the jamb and the threshold. An 1/8 to 1/4 inch bead of sealant is essential. If you have any further questions, please contact us by email at customersupport@thermatru.com, by phone at 1-800-843-7628, or on our website at www.thermatru.com.